Hello everyone, I'm Christian and I would love to invite you to our one-day retreat, Beyond the Mind, happening on the 21st of December in Yandina. This retreat is a great opportunity to close 2024, to let go of the old, give thanks for the good things, but also to prepare for 2025. This retreat is an opportunity for you to reconnect with yourself, to nurture yourself, and to set your intentions for the next year. We will have some yoga practice, breathwork, mindfulness workshops, sound healing, chanting, mantras, and much more. We also have a special guest. Sri Ladawara Kusuma will be joining us from Bali. He's going to join us in a Zoom call to give us a 1-hour talk about Tantra, about spirituality, about the mind, and about the soul. So you will have an opportunity to hear from a realized spiritual master, an awakened man, some beautiful insights about spirituality. You will have an opportunity to ask him questions and to interact with him as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the 21st of December. We have limited spots and we also have some early birds available. We will have some delicious vegetarian food cooked by B. Sale, the amazing food that she always brings. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you there.